Hi friends, welcome to Harika's Teaching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please tap on bell button and get my notifications. Children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter Tanks and Groundwater. It is from 8th class. Quality of groundwater. Usually groundwater is mixed with minerals. Some of the water is salty and some of the water is sweet. The groundwater is mixed with minerals. And some of the water is sweet and some of the water is salty. Okay. This difference because of the minerals dissolved into the groundwater. And the minerals comes from the soil and rocks underneath. The minerals mix with the water. So, due to changes in taste and nature of the water. Okay, these minerals mix with the groundwater, dissolved into the mix with the groundwater. So changes in taste and nature of water. Many mandals in Telangana, the water have the excess minerals in them like sodium and fluoride, chloride, iron and nitrate. What are the excess minerals? The excess minerals are sodium and fluoride and chloride, iron, okay, sodium, fluoride, chloride, iron and nitrate. These are the excess minerals in the water in our Telangana. So it causes to this drinking water is not good for health, and it causes to diseases like affect on our bones and teeth, etc. This water is not good for drinking and it causes diseases like affect on our bones, and teeth, etc. Okay, these drinking water properly treated to remove the excess minerals. And many times in our country, this water is polluted due to excessive use of the pesticides and fertilizers and poor drainage system. Many times in our India, polluted water by excess use or heavy use of pesticides, fertilizers and poor drainage system. Okay, according to these reasons, the water is polluted in our India. In our India, this problem is increasing day by day. So unless we take the prevention steps, the most of the water in the rivers or wells, this water will be unsafe to drink and even bath also. Water is like rivers. These are the common resource for all the people, but not just for those who land on aquifer. Okay, this groundwater is also common resource. Okay, common resource for all the people. Like a rivers. But at present, those who have the land on aquifer, those only being used the groundwater, and they used the groundwater, they used excess of groundwater. So the nearby areas also, the nearby area declined the water level in the nearby areas, and in the wells, nearby wells also, the water is going dry. Okay, they used the excess water. Those who have lands, those persons used this used the excess groundwater. So that is the reason to decline the water level, okay, in the nearby places. And the nearby places, the wells are also going dry. Wells also going to dry. We use groundwater as a common resource, then all the people get benefit from this groundwater. Groundwater as a common resource, then all the people get benefit. And otherwise after a few years, even those who dig deeper tube wells also, they will not get any of water from the tube wells also. Okay, today's generation received water from the past generation. Yes, today's generation received the water from past generation as a sacred asset. So we should also pass it to the water to next generation or the future generation. We should develop ways of using and conserving water. Okay, we should develop ways of using water and conserving water in the proper manner. We should develop using and conserving water, and we pass to this water future generation. Otherwise, okay, we should develop we should develop the using and conserving water, and otherwise, okay, the future generation will fight. Okay, the future generation will fight destructive wars over water, and we will be responsible for it. So we should save the water, and we should pass the water into future generation also. Children, this is the end of this chapter. Thank you.